Hello friends, good evening. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the weekly forecast of Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex based on astrology and GAN studies. So last week we have seen third positive weekly close for Nifty on a daily chart, and after a volatile expiry, this is the third positive close, and Nifty was up almost 2%, and we almost caught this bottom based on our Sun Ingress, uh, which we have discussed in our past videos, and Mercury trend change, Mercury Ingress. So now, when this is done, so what could be the next potential move of the market? Nifty is standing at a very crucial juncture, so we'll try to focus on that. First, we'll understand. In my past video, I've discussed about Mars retrograde, and Mars retrograde cause kind of disruptions, earthquake. As you can see, what's happening in Syria. The rebels were able to take down Assad, the president of Syria. This is all happening when the Mars retrograde started. It started yesterday, and we have created a video. You can go and watch the previous video where we have discussed. Uh, what sectors will be impacted, how it will, impact the markets and cryptos. So now, what's next? So now, one important aspect which is coming, one important instrument which is double ingress. Double ingress means two planets are changing sign at the same day or within 1 or 2 days. So if I open my notes and yeah, so this year there were only five double ingresses. So first was on 17th June, then 2nd July, 5th August, 1st September, and one is coming us 7th of December, which was yesterday. So if you see here in TradingView, I've drawn these lines. So this was on 14th, 17th June. So that was a holiday. So we took this. From there, you can see 2, 3 days of consolidation and a big rally came in the expiry week. Then this was 4th of July, as we have seen here, 2nd July, sorry. And 2nd July again, market just consolidated and moved up. So generally from these double increases, Nifty generally see a move of 500 points very easily. This was 5th August. It made a perfect bottom that day, just consolidated and just shooted up. And now the 2nd September one kind of top and again 500 points of fall. So generally we tend to see a good reversals around these zones, and Venus is moving in Aquarius and Neptune is moving in Pisces, right? So it was retrograde, it is standing direct in Pisces, and this is in its own house. Pisces is the own house of Neptune, and Pisces comes under, if I see my notes, yeah, Neptune in Pisces in its own house, and Pisces comes under bearish zodiac sign. So Neptune, keep an eye on liquid stocks like UPL, pharma stocks. This should be on your radar. And Venus, M&M, Tata Motors. Tata Motors is at a very, very crucial juncture. Um, uh, Let me quickly show you that Tata Motors is somewhere near an important SAP level. So this stock can be on radar. Let me just. So this is Tata Motors. Click on SAP. Or GAN monthly trend change level. Yeah, 825. It is not able to cross 820. Again, it will see a fall if 825 is gone. And on upside, then 860 to 888 is something which we are looking at, right? So, so Venus ingress, how it impacts. So Venus is moving in Aquarius. As you can see, whenever Venus ingress is there, we at least see 2 to 3 days of good rally in the market. So I'm expecting a 500 points move in the coming week based on these. Second important thing which is happening is Sun conjunct, Mercury. Now this event happens only 6 times a year, and it generally works very, very nicely. So let's see, 000. This is Sun conjunct Mercury. 6 times a year event, you generally tend to get good reversals in the market around these events. See, very good reversals will come. Only 6 times a year it comes. So this is an important event. Third thing which is happening, Mars retrograde, we have discussed double ingress and some base rule are there. So base rule 14 is coming. Let me quickly show you that also. Rule 14 when Venus is at 1 degree 9 minutes. So there also you tend to see some really nice moves in the market. It's almost equivalent to Venus ingress only, right? So these important rules are coming, so which suggest that we can see some good moves in the market. Now for Nifty, if I go and check, so Nifty is exactly at 50% retracement point. So octave point, see here. 24770. So this retracement point also suggests if Nifty is able to break 24770, it is going all the way towards 25147, which is kind of 500 points move. And if it is not able to cross it, we are falling toward 24393, and below that 24016. So this is a perfect setup for Nifty. Price near 50% point, and important astro cycles coming, which double ingress, Mars retrograde. So these are very even for Mars, copper, I mean copper stocks like Vedanta should be on radar. So yeah, so for Nifty this is the case, and for Bank Nifty, yeah, so for Bank Nifty it has to cross this high, so it is kind of forming a double top. And even if I see from supply and demand perspective, so 53,801 is broken, then we are heading towards 54,467, which is the lifetime high of Bank Nifty. And if it is not able to, if it breaks this low, then we are heading towards 52,552 to 51,693. So these are the levels, big view for Bank Nifty for the coming week. Similarly, if I show you for Nifty also, supply and demand zone. So again, 25,234. So 25,179 to 200 is an important zone of resistance. And probably if 24,770 is gone, then we can see that rally. Otherwise, a fall towards 24,300 to 24,207, which is a combination of again SAP and GAN monthly trend chain level. So this is about Nifty, and if I look from normal technical analysis perspective, ABCD pattern is there, weekly 3 weeks, and closed above this, weekly resistance zone, and from monthly chart also a good, I mean, closed above the last month high, which is short-term bullish. So last month high was somewhere around uh, 24,537. So 24,537 should act as a important support now. Now let's quickly go towards Bank Nifty again. ABCD pattern. Probably it should we hit the new, uh, you know, um, new lifetime high soon, which is around 54,556. And on monthly again, it is showing some bullish levels only. So both the underlying trend on the larger time frame looks bullish, but again, important levels are there. And what neural forecast is showing for Nifty, we can see, I mean, a fall till 10th, 11th, then a rally. It was showing, from here a small fall. Tomorrow is 9, so there can be small fall till towards 10, 11, and a rally till from 10th. And for Bank Nifty it is showing, I mean, we can see some good rise till 10th and then a fall, right? So kind of aligning miss, I mean, both are going in a different way, which is quite possible because of the outperformance which we are seeing in Bank Nifty. And important levels which I'm watching out for the coming week, for 81,661 is Sensex trend chain level. Weekly is 24,6, Nifty is 24,685, Bank Nifty is 53,540. Keep 108 point stop loss in Sensex and Bank Nifty, and 55 point stop loss in Nifty, and book around these resistance levels. If it breaks on upside, and if on downside, you can book at the support levels. So that is what we are seeing. So important dates which are coming: Mars retrograde, and volatility should increase in the market. Then we have double ingress, which comes, and with double ingress, we generally tend to see a 500 points move very easily in Nifty, kind of 1,000 points move in Bank Nifty. So again, a very good indication. So next week should be very exciting with these important resistance events, I mean, important astro events coming through. And I mean, trade with extreme caution because I foresee some volatility coming in the market because of these astro events. So yeah, that's about it. And keep an eye on, I mean, stocks which are related to Venus. Let me quickly show you that list also. Yeah. So Adani Ports, Bajaj Auto, these are all ruled by Mars, Venus, Neptune. Uh, yeah, Mars, Venus, Neptune. So you can pause the video, keep an eye on. So these are the stocks which should be on your radar for the coming week based on these astro events. And Sun conjunct Mercury, 6 time events, which generally caught some good reversals in the market. So, very exciting week coming ahead. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined.